What's good? What's good? It's your Uncle KamWood, the rapper barber. Hey, look, we got a new little goodie for y'all this time. This time, it is not a barber video. We're going to straight go into what a lot of y'all know. Some of the people that follow me already know I just recently dropped an album called Mindset Music. And what I want to do is take you guys into the studio and show you how I came with one of my favorite tracks from the album called How It Feel. Now, telling y'all right now, they don't call me the rapper barber for no reason. All right, so come with me, come with me, come with me, and let's do this thing. Come with me, come with me, come with me, and let's do this thing. How I feel. I just wanna know how it feel, yeah. I just wanna know how it feel, yeah, yeah, yeah. I just wanna know how it feel, yeah. Big house, big dreams, that's the way to live. What's good? It's your Uncle KamWood, and we back. All right, now, I told y'all we was gonna hop in, show y'all how I made How It Feel, kind of step by step, little rough draft of how I did it. I'm gonna take y'all through some of the steps. So basically, the track How I Feel came about. It was just, it's just one of them feelings that give off that feel that you want to reach a certain point of success in your life where you want to reach, and it's like, you want to know how that feel. A lot of us artists, whether if you do music, whether if you just working regular 9 to 5 or whatever it is that you're doing in life, you want to succeed and you just want to know how it feel to be like that top dog or that top person that's actually killing in the industry that you doing. So this is one of them songs that just kind of just give you that motivation to want to just keep that ahead in your life and your journey so you can just thrive off of it. So anybody that's knowing what that feels like to want to be able to make it to a certain point in life as far as success or whatever, this is that track for you. So we're gonna hop right into this boy and y'all tell me what y'all think. First off, what I did, I work out of FL Studios, so I'm not no musician. I don't play no keys, I don't do nothing like that. So basically I found this nice little loop. I'm gonna let him play it for y'all real quick. It's pretty much all the sauce right here. See, like that. Now, of course, I added a little bit of variation to it. I EQ'd it a little bit and I added a gross beat. Some of y'all know what gross beat is. I added that to it to kind of give it chop it up a little bit. So let's go back to here and let's listen to how the gross beat sound. See that? So that's basically how that went. And then what we did, we went ahead and added that 808 boy in there, everybody's favorite. This how the 808 sound. Nope, wait, that's the kick. Here we go, right here. Easy, right? Tell me, man, it don't take really much to make these beats, really. And then simple hi-hat. Boom. And regular, clap, regular little clap. Easy, right? I know y'all probably thinking like this is some simple stuff, but simplicity is key, One more thing, the kick give it that little groove, that little bounce. See what I'm saying? Easy. Then you slap a tag on that boy. You know, everybody love that. For y'all don't know, that was my son, my oldest son. He did that when he was like 3. So I've had that tag for a long time. And then you just basically put it all together like this. Big dreams, that's the way to live. I just wanna know how I feel, yeah. I just wanna know how I feel, yeah, yeah, yeah. I just wanna know how I feel, yeah. Big house, big dreams, that's the way to live. Hey, and that's how you make a simple hit. So if y'all wanna go ahead and cop that, it's on YouTube. We got it on Apple Music, Spotify. Go ahead and download that thing. How I feel. KamWood. I just wanna know how I feel, yeah. I just wanna know how it feel, yeah, yeah, yeah. I just wanna know how it feel, yeah. Big house, big dreams, that's the way to live.